Ethical guidelines around data analysis. In the previous class, you have learned how e-commerce companies collect and analyze data to recommend products, segment customers, and conduct targeted advertising in the era of big data. It is important to always condemn unethical data collection practices. Therefore, ethical guidelines designed to protect individuals and discourage the mishandling and unethical use of data must be established. Here are the 5 fundamental ethical guidelines related to data analysis. A. Confidentiality. Personal information must always be kept confidential, as it is typically shared based on trust. Sometimes, third-party companies can access sensitive data, like financial details. In these situations, there are often rules that limit these companies from sharing that information further. B. Privacy and secrecy. Privacy and secrecy are 2 different concepts. Private data can be checked at any time for legal reasons. However, personal data collected from someone should not be shared or used without their permission, as it helps to prevent identity theft, damage to reputation, and other serious issues. C. Protection of information. The companies should always notify their customers in advance about how their information will be used, whether it's being collected for research purposes or other reasons. This allows customers to manage the flow of their personal information in a data-driven world where third-party analytical systems are common. D. Quality of data. Data quality is crucial because informed decisions rely entirely on the data. If the data is biased, the decisions made will also be biased. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize good and relevant data during the data analysis process. You should always remember that improved data quality leads to better decision-making across an organization. E. Data governance. The term data governance refers to a framework of principles that ensures data quality within a company. It encompasses the processes, roles, policies, responsibilities, and metrics necessary for ensuring accountability and ownership of data assets throughout the organization. As such, data governance is regarded as essential for achieving organizational goals. Need for ethical guidelines. The ethical guidelines or a code of conduct are crucial during data collection and analysis to protect user privacy. Let us learn some important points that help to understand why ethical guidelines for data are important. A. Promote facts and knowledge. Ethical guidelines should always promote the use of accurate information, even if it means avoiding misleading data, to reduce errors. B. Remove sensitive data. The guidelines should help identify sensitive information and ensure it is removed early on. This is important for maintaining data quality and integrity, which helps build public trust in data analysis. C. Benefit for individuals and society. The guidelines should help evaluate whether the analysis will be beneficial to both individuals and society before starting any new analysis. D. Use only necessary data. The guidelines encourage using only the essential data needed to achieve specific goals during data analysis. This approach helps to make the analysis more sustainable and reduces risks. Objective of ethical guidelines in data. The main goal of ethical guidelines in data analysis is to help data scientists and analysts make smart and ethical decisions. Some key objectives of these guidelines include: protecting customers' personal information ensures that personal data is kept safe. Maintaining trust by being clear about data collection policies, as customers prefer companies that are transparent. Ensuring data integrity and consistency helps to keep the data accurate and reliable. Making sure that customers are aware of how their data will be used. keeping all data collection practices organized and consistent.